what's up, YouTubers? This is Sweet community from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Gaga, you and I. Cool, very nice song, awesome song. Alright, so I decided to do Cape 2. So beginners can play, you know, all the open chords. We don't have any bar chords. It sits really well here, like a G shape. So the song is an A really, but it looks like a G. Okay, standard tuning, Cape 2. So here's the first chord, let's go. For the verse, G major, 1, 2, 3. A minor, 1, 2, 3. C major. Okay, so that's the every verse. G, down, up, down, down. A minor, down, up, down. C major, down, up, down, down. G major, down, up, down, down. C minor, down, up, down, down, down. Then we got the pre-chorus. C and G, F, C, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on D there. Let's do the pre-chorus again. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, and F, C. 5 hits on D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, chorus. Chorus starts on C. 2, 3, 4, and G. F, F, C. G, F. I guess I didn't show you the F, so you can play F like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, or I play it like this. First finger, second finger, 3, 3. So you add 3 there on the A. So chorus. C, down, 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 and G. F, F, C, and G. F, C, and G. F, F, T, and then go C there. Go back to G. Second verse. A minor, C major, and G major. Turned on my phone. G major, A minor, C major, G. Here comes the pre-chorus. C and G, F, C, 2, 3, and 5 hits on D. Big chorus, come on. C major, and G, F, F, C, and G, F, C, and G, F, D, and C, and G. And for the U and I part, and the guitar solo. G and F, and C, and G. Same strumming. G and F, and C, and G. Cool. Nice. Great song, man. And not that hard, right? It just got different sections. Versus G, A minor, C. Back to G. Pre-chorus C, G, F. Back to C, and the end on 5 hits on D there, D major. Chorus C, G, F, F. C, G, F. C, G, F. D, and end on a hit on C there. Alright guys, thanks. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take care.